Hello guys, I am Manoj and today we will install a few things necessary for the Flutter workshop. So first, Flutter SDK is the first thing that we will install. Let us refer to the documentation of installation. So first go to the website, okay. We will give the website links in the description. So you will find this page on the upper right corner you can find the get started icon. So click on it, you will get this page like installation. So in this you can find these operating systems. So mine is Windows, I will go through it. So then you can find the system requirements. These first two requirements like operating system and disk space are the main important for your desktop. And the second thing is this Windows PowerShell. Is Windows PowerShell. It is a professional command line interface. It will be there in all Windows devices, so it is not worried about it. So whether if you need, you can check whether your Windows is having this Windows PowerShell. Like go to search bar and then you can find there. See, you can find it is defaultly it is already have my device is having. So second thing is get for Windows, okay. Get is an described version control system for tracking changes in source code during the software development, okay. So check whether this get is installed or not in your PC. So go to search bar to check this get. So first type cmd, okay. So you can get this and click and enter. So I'll get this pop up, so click, so enter in it called git get, okay, then enter. So you can find this sentence get is not recognized as an internal or external command, so you can know that this get is not installed, okay. So right click on it, so you can find open a link in new tab, so you can go through it. So you can get this official website of get. So you can find a get for Windows setup, get for Windows portable. So you can find the 32 and 64 bit. So yeah, based on your system requirements you can download this. So if you have doubt to whether my PC is 32 or 64, so you need to check whether, so go to your PC like file explorer. So you can find this and go to this PC, then right click on the free space and properties. So here you can find system type. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll go through 64-bit. So you can find your 64-bit. So if you click on it, you can directly, it is going for downloading, okay, section. So just I have already downloaded, so I am going to cancel it. Okay, once you downloaded it, go through and go through Flutter SDK zip file, okay. So you need to download this SDK. So I have already told you about this Flutter SDK. So just click on it, it is gonna download, okay. After downloading, after this we need to download VS Code. VS Code means it is a Visual Studio Code, is a free source code editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Okay, once you open this web page, you can find up right corner, you can find a download icon. So first click on it. If you click once, you can find this operating system which is yours. So mine is Windows, I will go through it. If your Mac or Linux, go through that. Okay, mine is Windows, so I'll go through this. If you click on it, it will directly go for downloading section. So actually I have downloaded again. So again the and the last thing which we are going to download is this Android Studio. The Android Studio is an official integrated development environment for Google's Android operating system, okay. Android Studio provides us an Android emulator which will be pretty helpful for this workshop. To download this, see, you can find this download Android Studio. So click on it. So it will ask you a permission that I have ready to agree, so this and all stuff. So just click a tick mark and download the Android Studio for Android. So it will go for directly, it will go to downloading section, then you can find the downloading, the app is downloading. So actually I have downloaded everything. So fine, this how about the applications that we required for workshop. Okay, in the next video I'm going to tell you about how the application should be installed. Okay, bye, thank you.